I'm ready for tomorrow. And this is my time to shine. This is my resume. Yes, this is it. This is my luckiest day. I'm ready to face my challenges today.
Hi, ma'am. Good morning. I'm here in front of you to apply Rubicon position, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. By the way, let me introduce myself. My name is Miania Joble. I'm 23 years old. I live in Artier, Luzon del Norte. And also, I am a fresh graduate at San Josep Institute of Technology, taking a Bachelor of Science, Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. Yes, and also I am a hardworking, reliable, dependable, and I am punctual, and I am an honest. Why should we hire you? If you hire me, ma'am, it will create a platform to show my skills and knowledge. Whatever goals I set with them stipulated time.
Oh, my resume. Let's put it here. My bag. I'm ready for my interview.
Miss Capablanca?
Good morning, ma'am.
Can you please tell me about yourself?
We are just here. Why don't we have a conduct for our interview, for our job application?
Yeah, exactly. That's a good idea, right?
Oh, it's okay. By the way, me and Mike will apply as a merchandiser at Robinson's Mall. And I also find out that you two will apply as customer representative at Yamaha company here in Butuan City.
Yeah, you're right, Ralph. We will apply as a customer service representative to Yamaha company here in Butuan City.
So what are we waiting for, guys? Let's start and finish right away. You two. So guys, that's it. So I think we are very okay. I hope we'll help our for this for interview us tomorrow or the other day. God bless us. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Open the door, please. Morning, ma'am. Okay, so why are you here? I'm applying for a job. Okay, so tell me about yourself. So I'm 38 year ma'am. I'm from St. Technology and taking the course of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in marketing. So, I like to play basketball, I like to play TikTok, and I'm good. And why should I hire you? You should hire me because I believe I can do all your commands in this company, and I'm pretty sure that I'm an asset of your company. Okay, that will be all. Thank you for your application. We will update you with regards to the progress for applications within this week. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. I'm here for the final job interview. Okay. Sit down. So, are you coming on your son? Yes, ma'am. Tell me about yourself. I'm Hatika Silson. I graduated at St. Joseph Institute of Technology, major in marketing management.
Why do you want to work in this company?
Nothing. I was able to experience and enhance my ability of selling and also to use my knowledge based on what I've studied.
Okay, that's all.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. I am here for the final job interview.
Please sit down. So tell me about yourself.
I'm Jamaica Juman. I'm 21 years old. Graduated from St. Joseph Institute of Technology, Marketing and Management.
What should I hire you?
I believe myself that I can do any task that you give it to me. And also, ma'am, I will use my ability for this job. And I can quickly adapt that you gave it to me for this company.
Okay, so I will update you for the progress about your final interview in a week or two. Okay?
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning.
Pwede ka-apply ng trabaho.
Okay. Sit down.
Ito po yung resume ko po, ma'am.
Jason Moore.
So,
Okay, tell me about yourself.
ako po si Jason Mola, ma'am, na may dalawang taon na bulan na. Kapag tapos po ako ng pag-aaral dito po sa STIT po, St. Joseph Institute of Technology, sa kursong marketing po, Business and Administration. Yun po, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your weaknesses and strengths?
Yung ano po, ma'am, hindi na po talaga ako mapag-uulong, hindi marunong mag-impact sa mga task na hinahanda sa kami. Yung strength ko naman po, ma'am, yung gumagawa po ako ng paraan para yung binigay sa amin na task ay ano po ma-achieve.
So that will be all. Thank you for your applications. We will update you with regards to the progress of application in 2 weeks' time. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Uy, gusto na may oras. Uy, Grace, mata na. Unsa na may oras ron? Ang laki ang interview. Uy, pag-atang na gihamoy. Basta nagaling interview dahil magaling gyud kay hapit na kayo tong oras niya. Kung may traffic na, malangan na ta. Dapat magsayod yun ta kay para pag abot nato dito, presentable ta niya, di na tang pulbaan. Pagdali na tayo kay hapit na ang time. Mukhaon tiyan.
sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you for coming today.
This is my resume, sir. I think I am the one who qualified for the vacant position in your company.
Okay. Just take a seat
Okay, sir. Thank you.
and tell me about yourself.
I am Rogin V. Duterte. I studied BS Criminology at St. Joseph Institute of Technology. When I have free time, I played golf and swimming. With my skills, I would expect to receive something in the range of 5,000 to 10,000 pesos per day.
Okay. Have you read the information about this job?
Yeah, I do research and it's interesting
Why should I hire you?
because I'm the best candidate.
Do you have any question for me?
I don't have any questions, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Duterte. It's been good talking to you. I will call you soon and good luck.
Yeah, thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Channeling Paco. I'm here for the child filing interview.
Okay, Miss Bako, please sit down. So, Miss Jenalyn, so what are your weaknesses?
My height and my bad eyesight are my weaknesses.
Okay.
I invite tall people because I think that they are more confident in everything they do. I have a very bad eyesight. I always rely on my contact lenses and my glasses. Every time I read and take a look at something, I always wear my eyeglasses wherever I go, whatever I do. I know it wasn't good to compare myself to anyone else, so I just have to be myself and be proud of what God gave me.
Okay, Miss Jenalyn, what are your strengths?
My strength are my skills, my experiences that made me strong. I am a strong-willed person and self-motivated. I just think that I'm good at boasting my confidence.
Okay, thank you, Miss Jenalyn. It's been good talking to you. Thanks for coming to this interview. You will receive our feedback about the result of this final interview after a week or two.
Sir, it's my pleasure to have this opportunity to speak with you.
Please come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am. Can I do for you?
Yes, sir.
Can I do for you, ma'am?
I would like to apply for a company, sir.
Okay, next.
Yes.
Can you see your resume?
Yes, sir.
So you are citizen, yes.
Yes.
Okay. Could you tell me about yourself?
Okay. So, my name is Lizel Fiorenes. I'm from Macasbo, Quezon City. And I'm 23 years old. I'm graduated at St. Joseph Institute of Technology, course Business Administration, Major in Marketing, sir.
So, okay. That would be all. Thank you for your application. We will update you with regards to the progress occupation in 2 weeks.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Jocelyn Casalda. I'm a fresh graduate of St. Joseph Institute of Technology, major in marketing. I'm currently applying as a marketing assistant in your company. I'm so sorry, ma'am. It's so loud in here. I can't hear what you're saying. All I can say about myself is that I love to draw, I love to paint, I am creative, I am innovative, I have so many ideas to share, and I would love to be a part of your company. Thank you, ma'am.
So today is my interview with Air Asia Company. And yes, I feel so proud to have been selected for a possible flight attendant position and be part of Air Asia team. So here's my 6 steps of preparation for the interview. First, my outfit. I make sure that my clothes is clean and comfortable so that I will look great and presentable to the interviewer. Remember, First impression last. Second, I study my resume and make sure that if they will ask something based on my resume, I can answer it straight away with confidence. Third, I practice my answer to the most common interview questions like, tell me about yourself, skills, weaknesses, and others. Fourth, I research the company and the job position that I'm applying for. I make sure that I have knowledge and be able to answer questions about their company. Fifth, I practice my speaking voice and body language. It's important to make a positive and lasting impression during the interview process. You can do this by practicing yourself speaking with friends or even in the mirror. Remember, pay attention with a smile. And the last part is, I practice how to sell myself. Yes, sell myself. One of the biggest challenges in an interview is selling yourself. Most people are uncomfortable with this idea. But presenting yourself accurately and positively doesn't have to feel like a sale. So that's it and good luck!